the northwest corner method. The northwest corner method. And this time around, we want to look at the least cost method. Another method of calculating the cost of transporting a certain goods. So, of transporting goods to different destinations. We have the source of a goods. The sources are from Oyo, Ogun, Ondo, and we are transporting them to Lagos and Abuja. The demand are as follows. Like I told you, the first thing you got to do is to add the demand together, checking it if it is equivalent to the supply. 80 plus 130. That is going to give us what? 210. So this one plus this one, 140. So this is 210 against 210, which means demand is equal to the supply. Then, since demand is equal to supply now, we are now going to go to how we can make use of the least square method in calculating, in finding the cost of transporting the goods from Oyo, Ogun, Ondo to Abuja and Lagos. When we talk about least square method, the first thing you the first thing you got to check is to check the least cost of transporting that goods. And if you have one, you proceed from that one. If there are two, you pick one and you continue with it there, and then you move on from that place. Now, from this problem now, the least cost of transporting is from Ogun to Lagos, and that is 5 naira, as we have it here. 5 naira. Then that is the first thing you're going to pick. The question, you have it as now. The supply is what? Is 65 in this column. And that is what? You pick 65. Then coming down to the demand. The supply has not met with the demand. So that means we have the 50 left with the demand. Then it means this one is now 0. So for Ogun, now there is no more supply from Ogun again. The Ogun supply has been used up. Now, then check another list, another cost that followed that the first one. So from what we have here, we have 10. Are you getting the idea now? 10. Then you check through. You discover that the demand here is what? 15. It's smaller to the supply, giving us 15. Then this one will be what? 60. 60. That means that for Lagos demand, there is no more demand. It is now 0. Now, then you check the next